Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kasano here, my name is Debbie. So today we are going to cook chapati, which is our favorite meal in this house. Reason being, I do cook chapatis which are very soft, layered, and very sweet. So everybody loves chapati in this house. And today we're not going to cook it from the kitchen, rather we are going to cook it from the balcony. So that's why I'm super excited to do this video with you guys. So yeah, I'm here with Beatrice.
Hello.
So yeah, Beatrice, she's going to help in doing what? Okay, she's going to help us with some work as I continue cooking the chapatis. So I'm gonna take you step by step on how to cook those soft layered chapatis. So make sure you stick along if you want to learn on how to cook chapatis. Stick along, sit down, relax, and let me take you through, guys. Yeah, so already we have our stuff over here that we need. That is flour, sugar, salt, and warm water, which is gonna come in a minute. And then we have cooking oil and the pan. So yeah, let's get started, guys. started to cook the chapatis, and I'm rolling. Beatrice is helping me with turning and rotating the chapatis because this gas it is still full, and I don't know, but it keeps on adding itself. Yeah, so it's so hard for me to regulate and be rolling at the same time. So I'm not used to this small gas. I'm not used to cooking chapati using this small gas. It's either firewood in the village or the gas cooker, the electric cooker. So guys, whatever we were doing, it was like a blow drying process. So now I want us to start frying using the oil. Yeah, so let's do this. We have a bunch of chapatis that we need to fry, so stay along with us, okay? Yeah, so I think what we're YouTube, they will have to be on this side, huh? Yeah, that's fine.
Like this.
So guys, 1 eternity later, and we are done cooking the chapatis. Whatever I'm doing here right now is cooking the stew, which is beef and some potatoes over here. So yeah, it is dark. It is really dark outside, but we're using a the green bulb. That's why it's making it even more darker. Yeah, so yeah guys, yeah, let me talk from here. So guys, 1 year later we are done cooking the chapatis, and now I'm busy cooking the stew, which is beef and some potatoes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Because I see this camera, it went off at some point when I was cooking the chapatis. I didn't even notice that, and I don't want it to go off. I see the battery is low. So I'm gonna end the video here, and thank you so much for sticking around. And if you want more content about cooking, please let me know. Comment, or if you're too shy to comment on my comment section where everybody can see you, you can follow me on my Instagram, Debbie Osebe, and just tell me if you like that content or not. Because right now I'm trying to get my niche. I'm trying to get the people that's what people love on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do some videos here and there to try and see which one will do best with my YouTube channel or with my audience. So please, your liking, your watching will really be helpful for me to determine which niche to go with. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye. Jeremy, come say bye.
Bye guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment.
Yay, you heard that right. See you soon in our next video. Beatrice is busy cooking outside. So yeah guys, bye.
Bye.
The chapatis are so soft. I'm gonna show you. Let me charge the camera. I'm gonna show you how the chapatis look, because there is no way we can cook something with you guys and then I leave you hanging with chapatis that I didn't show the outcome. Yeah, so I'll show you. Just wait, okay? Yeah, let's finish first. Let the camera charge. Let it charge. I will show you. So these are the chapatis. This is how soft they look and layered. Okay, this one burned, but it's fine on the other side. Yeah, so that is it. And this is how we cut. This is how we normally cut them, and then we put the stew like this. So I have some few pieces of meat and some potatoes on this side. So Beatrice is here, she's serving. Yes. You can literally count the potatoes. Anyway guys, so that was it. That was our Monday, our whole day. That's how we spent our whole day today. So bye bye, see you in our next video guys.
Yes, bye bye.
Bye, let's enjoy the food. Let's enjoy the food guys.
It's yummy. Okay,
The
bye.
chapatis are soft. Bye guys.
The real story should be who's coming in second. The 3 times